As you can see, we have page view right here, and we have purchase, which means the conversion is now active. As you can see, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Facebook Pixel on your WordPress website. You can easily install Facebook Pixel on your website just by watching this video. If you are here for the first time, my name is Samgreen, and in this channel I create videos around how to make money online, how to start, scale and grow your e-commerce business, how to design WordPress websites, and how to run a profitable Facebook ad. If that is what you are looking for, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to head over to your WordPress dashboard, and we need to install two plugins here. So the first plugin we are going to install is the file manager. So we are going to go with this one. Then another plugin we are going to install is the tracking code manager. So we are going to install, and then we are going to activate. Then we are going to activate this as well. So what you want to do at this point is to come to setting, and you are going to see a tracking code manager right here. So you are going to press this. Then you are going to click on this continue with the free version. Click on this. So once this open up, the next thing you want to do is to head over to your Facebook ads manager, and this is the ads account I want to install this Pixel on. The next thing we want to do right now is to come to the account that we want to install this Pixel. So, and there's different way you can do this. You can either come here and click on this event manager, and it's going to lead you and so on and so forth. So, but the way I'm going to do this is that I'm going to come here and create ad. Don't worry, we are not going to run any ad at this point. So I'm going to choose conversion. So, and I'm going to press continue. So we don't have anything to do here. We just have to come here and show down. And when it says create Pixel, this is where you are going to click and create a Pixel. So you want to enter your Pixel name. Then I'm going to click on create Pixel. Now that our Pixel is created, we can enter our website URL right here. So I'm going to copy my website URL and input it here. Then I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to click on this write code now and make your Pixel ready to use. As you can see, there's conversion Pixel and there's meta Pixel. So we're going to go with this meta Pixel. I'm going to click on next. The next thing we want to do is to come here. We are going to click on manually add Pixel code to our website. So I'm going to click on add manually. Alright, so this is what is going to give us. So I'm going to copy this. Just click on copy. Once you copy this code, the next thing you want to do is to come back to your website, then add this code right here. Now you want to give this code a name. Then if you scroll down, you can see that position inside the code before add, then show only in all device. Then you want to click on this standard code tracking in your WordPress, and you want to click on the whole website. Once you're able to do this, the next thing you want to do is to click on save. Now you need to install this Facebook Pixel helper, alright, so that it can help you to analyze if the code is successfully installed. The next thing is to come back and click on continue. Now you want to turn on the advanced matching and others, then click on continue. So right now is asking us to verify our domain. If you have not verified your domain, this is what you are going to get. So right now I'm going to verify. I'm going to go ahead and verify my domain. So I'm just going to click on this. So I want to add my domain name. So I'm just going to click on and put my domain name right here. Then I'm going to click on add. So as you can see right here, is saying that my domain is not yet verified. So what you want to do at this point is that there are different ways you can verify this domain. There are different ways you can verify, at least there are 3 different ways you can verify this. But the one I will highly recommend is this second one. So upload an HTML file to your root directory. So if you have access to your cPanel, you can easily do this. But just in case you don't have access to your cPanel, that is why we download the file manager we downloaded earlier. Alright, the next thing you want to do is to come here and download this HTML file. Alright, so now we have to upload this file to our WordPress website. So you just have to come back to our WordPress. You can see this file manager here. So just click on this file manager. So what you want to do is to come here and upload a file. So I'm just going to click here and I'm just going to drag and drop this right here. As you can see, this is the file right here. I've uploaded the file. So the next thing I want to do is to come back to my Facebook. So I'm just going to click on verify. As you can see, my domain is now verified. So I'm going to click on done. Since we have already verified this domain, then come back to what we are doing. So you are going to click on continue, then go to Pixel overview. Now you have successfully installed this Pixel. So once you land here, we want to test our event. So I'm going to come here and enter my domain URL. So I'm just going to paste it here and check. So as you can see, if you check here, you will see that this domain is already active. So as you can see, it's saying that we have page view already. So I'm just going to close this and come back. As you can see, it said page view. So which means this is now active. All right. So the next thing we want to do is to come back to our ads and close this. Then we want to refresh this. So once you're able to refresh, it's going to tell you that you should choose a conversion event. So I'm just going to choose on purchase since I'm running an e-commerce website. So purchase, and we have to set up this event. So it says set up conversion event. I'm going to click on this track conversion with standard event. All right, it's going to pop up this, and I'm just going to scroll down. As you can see, this is purchase. So I'm just going to click on this. Then I have to come here and the value of what I'm selling, maybe the profit or how much I'm actually selling. So I'm just going to put 10,000 naira. Then my currency, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to put NGN. All right. Then once I'm able to do that, the next thing is that I want to scroll down here and copy this code. So once I copy this, the next thing is to come to my thank you page. All right, and I'm just going to type HTML, then input this here. Then I'm just going to paste this right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to update this. Now I want to check if this is active. So I'm just going to press on, you say no activities yet. So I'm just going to press on done. So the next thing is to activate this. So I'm just going to click on page view and it's going to view new page. Then as you can see, we have page view right here, and we have purchase, which means the conversion is now active. As you can see, the conversion is now active. Then it's now reading purchase. So another thing you can also do is to come back to this event and come here to test if this is actually working. All right, as we can see that this is now working. As you can see, this is the purchase and this is another purchase. So this is now activate. So the next thing we want to do is to find out about this red icon right here. So we want to remove this right here. So just come back here, and as you can see, it says review which limit conversion can be used by your PZ. So now you want to click on this review event, and this is the domain we have verified. If you have verified like 2, 3, or 5 domain, you are going to see different domain. So you just want to click the actual domain you are working with. So I'm working with this domain. So I'm just going to click on manage events, then click on edit. So the next thing is to add events. So I'm just going to come back here, and this is my pixel. So I'm just going to choose this pixel, then come back to this event, and I want to choose purchase. So I'm just going to, as you can see, just one event. So once you're able to do this, the next thing you want to do is to click on apply. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to confirm this? So you are going to click on yes, then you are going to apply. As you can see, you have successfully changed the event. So I'm just going to click on OK, then come back to our dashboard and refresh this. Then boom, as you can see, we don't have this red icon here anymore. So this is basically everything you need to install Facebook Pixel on your website. I'll show you how you can install the pixel, how you can install the conversion pixel, how you can verify your website, and how you can update your Facebook ads for the iOS 14 update. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this with your friends.